In a peaceful forest, there lived a bear named Bruno. Bruno was strong and energetic, but he had one problem. He either worked too hard or rested too much. Some days he spent all his time gathering food, leaving himself exhausted. Other days he lounged by the river, doing nothing at all. One day, as winter approached, Bruno realized he had barely gathered enough food to last the season. Panicked, he rushed to collect berries, nuts, and fish, but it was too late. Most of the food had already been taken by other animals. Feeling hopeless, he visited his wise owl friend, Oliver. "Bruno," Oliver said, "life is about balance. If you work too much, you tire yourself out. If you rest too much, you achieve nothing. Balance is the key to success." Bruno took Oliver's advice to heart. From that day on, he created a routine, working hard during the day, but taking breaks to rest and enjoy life. When winter arrived, Bruno had enough food and felt strong and happy. Moral: a balanced life leads to success and happiness. Hard work is important, but so is rest and enjoyment. Thanks for watching.